Beetroot did something that even some $200 serums couldn't accomplish. I tried it, and the results surprised even me. A familiar ingredient, yet it has the ability to deeply moisturize, soften the skin's texture, and support elasticity. Surprising, isn't it? Stay with me until the end of the video to see how to make it work most effectively. First, peel the outer skin of the beetroot thoroughly. Beetroot is well known for supporting circulation, helping the complexion look naturally rosy, and providing gentle energy for the body. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help slow the visible signs of aging and support healthier-looking skin over time. Once peeled, grate the beetroot into very fine shreds, then strain to extract the juice. This juice is the most nutrient-rich part and brings the greatest benefit to the skin. Since ancient Roman times, beetroot was considered a skin and wellness tonic. According to historical notes, women used beetroot juice to refresh their complexion, reduce rough texture, and leave the skin feeling naturally soft and smooth. In Ayurvedic traditions of India, beetroot has also been used to support circulation, helping nourish the skin tissues more effectively and creating a noticeably revitalized appearance. For this reason, beetroot is often regarded as a gentle longevity secret that has been known for thousands of years. And just like that, with only a few simple steps, you now have a natural collagen-infused base to continue your skincare routine. Now let's move on to the preparation. From the beetroot juice you extracted earlier, take 3 tablespoons and place them into a small bowl. We'll use this portion for an additional recipe later in the video, so set it aside for now. Next, measure out 70 ml of rose water and pour it into a pot along with the remaining beetroot juice. Rose water has long been regarded as a gentle beauty staple, helping soothe the skin, balance hydration, and support a softer, more radiant look. This combination forms a natural, nourishing base, perfect for skin that feels dry, dull, or is showing signs of aging. For the next step, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the pot. Cornstarch helps the mixture thicken into a smooth cream-like texture, making it easier to use and helping it stay on the skin more effectively. Then transfer everything into a clean, small pot. Heat the mixture over very low heat, stirring continuously so it thickens evenly without forming lumps. Is beetroot common where you live? I'd love to hear how it's used in different regions. We might learn some wonderful new ideas from each other. In this recipe, beetroot helps support elasticity, softens the skin, and gently reduces the visibility of fine lines over time. The creamy texture we achieve is ideal since it adheres well to the skin and nourishes deeply into the layers. While the mixture cools, we'll prepare a wonderful ingredient to elevate this formula. And this is the exciting part you won't want to miss. That ingredient is flaxseed, a natural component often described as liquid gold for the skin. Flaxseed is rich in omega fatty acids and vitamins A, E, and F, supporting cell renewal, softening rough areas, and naturally helping with the visible signs of aging. Place 1 teaspoon of flax seeds into a small pot. Then add 200 milliliters of filtered water. Set the pot on the stove and simmer over medium heat. As it cooks, you'll notice the water gradually turning slightly thick and translucent. This is a sign that the beneficial elements from the flax seeds are being released. While the gel is thickening, I'd love to send you a little message. Please share in the comments which city you're watching from and what you're hoping to experience from this age-supportive recipe. Your feedback inspires me to keep researching and sharing natural, safe, and easy-to-apply skincare formulas. To be honest, I tried this recipe myself before sharing it with you. And what surprised me the most was how soft, smooth, and naturally radiant my skin became in such a short time. Seeing the change on my own skin is what gave me the confidence to share it with you today. Now, let's strain the flaxseed gel to collect the smooth, clear portion. This gel is like a living moisture that helps the skin stay hydrated and supple. Next, take 3 tablespoons of the flaxseed gel and add it into the cooked beetroot cream. Gently mix until the two blend together into a silky texture that spreads easily on the skin. At this stage, the mixture is turning into a true natural super cream. To boost this cream even further, we'll add 1 pump of almond oil. Almond oil gently nourishes the skin, softens rough areas, and supports a naturally brighter look. Next, add 1 pump of castor oil. This helps balance moisture, soothe dryness, and makes fine lines look less visible over time. And finally, add 12 to 14 drops of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin repair, softens tiny marks, and improves elasticity. This combination is a wonderful gift for mature skin, especially when the skin is starting to lose firmness, but still wants to stay healthy, smooth, and radiant. Before applying to a larger area, always do a small patch test first to ensure your skin reacts well. When using the cream, take a small amount and apply it to your face, neck, and chest. These are the areas where fine lines tend to show up first. Gently massage in circular motions, especially around the mouth, forehead, and under the eyes. Leave it on for about 20 minutes so your skin has time to absorb all the goodness, then rinse with warm water. For best results, use it 3 times a week. You'll notice smoother, firmer skin and a gradual softening of fine lines over time. After you're done, transfer the remaining cream into a clean glass jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Since this is completely natural and contains no preservatives, keeping it chilled helps maintain its freshness and quality. Stay consistent. Your skin will thank you every single day. Now we return to the 3 tablespoons of beetroot juice that we set aside earlier. This little portion will turn into a gentle yet incredibly effective face mask. Add 3 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt is packed with beneficial probiotics that help nourish the skin, soften texture, and support the skin's natural barrier. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, a wonderful ingredient that helps cleanse deeply. brighten dull areas, and leave the skin feeling velvety smooth. Mix everything well until you get a creamy, thick consistency with a beautiful pink-purple tint. Once the mixture is ready, apply it evenly over the face, neck, and chest, using a brush or your fingertips. Massage lightly for about 1 minute to boost circulation and help the nutrients absorb more deeply. After that, rinse with cool water so the skin feels refreshed and clean. You can use this mask twice a week to keep the skin looking brighter, softer, smoother, and noticeably less rough. Any remaining mask can be stored in a clean glass jar and kept in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Try to maintain a simple routine. Apply this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Drink enough water, sleep well, and always use sunscreen when you go outside. No matter the age, our skin can stay healthy, glowing, and naturally radiant with just a bit of gentle care. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.